The Corsa 17 plate, going to be doing clutch, so mostly drive shafts out, all the brackets, bolts, mounts. You're going to have to remove that support for radiator and condenser, and it's right underneath. So mostly it's going from there to here. Then it supports, to show, supports radiator and condenser on the front. Right, I see the bracket, that's mostly radiator. Over here, that black thing, other side the same, so you have to remove it all around, just to remove the gearbox, so you can slide it out, mostly engine as much as you can to radiator, slide the gearbox out, down, mostly like you have to tilt it like that way. Shouldn't be heavy, it's a 1.4 petrol, so we'll see how it goes. There's only a couple of bolts holding it, main bolts, and there's 2 on top I think, and that's that. There's no drain plug on it, so I found strange, unless it's on the other side of here where that glove is, but I can't see it, just can't see it. I might release, no, might leave it in place. I'm just going to tilt it a bit down. You might take exhaust off the bracket, which is just over there, to rubber mount. Sorry, it's difficult to see, but you can see the rubber mounts either side, just so it drops as much as I need it to, and I can slide the gearbox out. That's about that on a Corsa 17 plate 1.4. Is it turbocharged? I'm not sure, it might be, I don't know. I'm glad I'm working on a parking spot. No, it's not turbocharged, just normal. So mostly, yeah, you have to remove battery brackets and all that, release the main bolts for the mount, release them ones for the lower bracket for the gearbox, just because you're going to drop it all together. So when I loosen it, support it from underneath, remove that bracket altogether, just so it's easy to take out and put it in. So see, I'm going to make another clip when I get to the clutch, see how bad it is.